Good morning friends, my name is Vinay and today I'm going to show you Damac Hills. It's not only a community but you can say a city within a city. It's a beautiful development by this is in Dubai land. This is the master plan of this community. So this is a golf course community. It is spread across 43 million square meters. You have all the amenities of the world over here, like a beautiful golf course, that is Trump Golf Course, a mall coming up over here, and villas, townhouses, apartments, everything within a city. So I'll take you on a tour of the community wherein I can show you all the amenities. This community is ready and 90% is delivered over here. Damac has delivered premium villas, that is Trump Estate. This is bang on the golf course, facing the golf course. Then you have Trump Golf Course over here. This you can see the Trump Golf Course mall coming up over here, and this is surrounded with three major roads of Dubai. This is Sheikh Hamdan bin Al Nahyan Street. Over there you have Al Qudra Road, and here is Hassa Street. So this is the Hassa Street. Over here you can see some beautiful towers are here coming up. This from here to here, this would be 1.5 kilometer of boulevard, wherein you have all the coffee shops, cafes and restaurants, everything. So you have ample amount of amenities in the community. These are the apartments. Around 30 story is the tower heights. This would be a Radisson Hotel. You see these towers. These are golf promenade. This is your golf town, and that is the park town. These are the towers which are up and running on already delivered. Over here you have Carrefour. Over there you have Spinneys. Then you have football fields. Over here you have a cricket ground. You have basketball, tennis court. So all the amenities over here. Skate park, and if you are fond of horse riding, you have stable in the community. Ice park is also there. So there are so many things in the community. You have man-made beach, and you can see the man-made beach, and you have 7 lakes. Recently they have started Malibu Bay, wherein it's a man-made beach. On every Friday and Saturday you have a party. You can see over here, there is a Malibu Bay. The school within a community, that is Jebel Ali School, which is British curriculum, right over here next to the apartment. So this is the entire development. It's ready and up and running. So you have all the sports activity which is already active, and the school is also active. So there is nothing which is coming up. It's just you have to move into the community. I'm taking you on a tour of the community, wherein I'll show you all the apartments, towers and villas, where exactly they are, the golf course, the place, grounds and amenities of the community. Let's go. So friends, this is the Trump Golf Course, and look over here, it's a beautiful golf course. And not only this, you have an infinity swimming pool over here overlooking at the golf course. So this is the sports section where we are standing. Let's go. I'll show you the sports activity where all the sports activities are there. The grounds are there, football field, practice field, everything is there. On my left there is a football field, practice grounds, and also behind this there is a football ground, and on my right there is a tennis court, volleyball and cricket ground. Let's go there. A cricket ground behind me where you have a wicket ready, you can play your cricket. This is the show villa of Alagate. Over here you get 2 car parking, which is covered car parking, and 2 additional car parking. This is the 4-bedroom villa. Let's go inside. One room downstairs. Washroom. Semi-closed kitchen. You can also close it down. This is storage. Dining area. This is your living area. You have a beautiful backyard along with the garden. Backyard. And here you have your park. Let's go upstairs and check it out some more things. This is the second bedroom. It comes with a terrace. You have a terrace over here. So the best part is these are single row units. This is the kids room. And this is master bedroom with the ensuite.